Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to delete browsing history in Google Chrome. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Open Google Chrome. Click on the three-dot menu icon in the top corner. Select History twice from the drop-down menu, or you can press Ctrl+H to open history. Click on Clear Browsing Data. Go to Advanced, then choose a time range, for example, last hour, last 24 hours, all time. Select the types of data you want to delete, for example, browsing history, cookies, cached images and files. Click on Delete Data. This will delete the selected browsing data from your Chrome browser. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.